Hi, I am Shinai. Welcome to my channel Excel Simplified. We will continue to learn more Excel mouse shortcuts. In this video, we will learn how to fill a column with a series using numbers and Excel custom lists. I will show you how to fill a series in a column using mouse shortcut. For that, in cell D2, I will type the value 1, press enter, and select cell D2. Move to the right bottom corner to show the fill handle, mouse pointer, and do the double click using left mouse. So now it copied 1 till the last row. At the bottom, you'll see an autofill option, icon showing that with a drop down. So click on that drop down. It has copied the cells. So copy cells is the current selection. You change it to fill series. See what happens. See, instead of copying 1, it copied values till the last row. The series there in that column. First row. 21 and 2. So there is another way of filling series instead of this two-step process, that pressing 1, then double clicking, and again selecting the autofill options to change it to a series. So there is another quick way. So I typed 1 in cell D2. I'll type the next value what you want in the series, that is 2, in the cell below. And I will select these two cells, 1 and 2, and I will hover the mouse to the bottom right corner of the selection and do a double click. So it filled the series with difference of 1, increment of 1 till last row. Suppose I want a series like with a increment of 2. So instead of 2, I will type after 1, I want 3 and then 5. So now I will select this, move to the right bottom corner to show the fill handle mouse pointer, do the double click. So it filled 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, increment of 2. Similarly, if I want to show an increment of 5, 1 increment of 4, I'll update 5 in cell D3 and double click. So it will 1, 5, 9, 13 like that. If I type the number, I type the text, testing, select this, move to the right bottom corner and double click. It copies the testing till the last row. See, till the last row. Do an undo. Suppose I want to display weekdays. So we'll type SUN, short name for Sunday. I click on here. See what happens. Double click. See, it printed Sunday, Monday, Tuesday till next Saturday and then continued with Sunday, etc. So how this series got printed? Because there is a default list stored in Excel which has this value. That's why it identified it as a series. For example, if you want to start with a Friday, so you say FRI, then it will identify that it will still print the series. If I do a double click, it will print Friday to Thursday and then again repeat Friday, Saturday, and then like that. Instead of weekday, so if I can also do, instead of FRI, I can write the full name of the weekday, Friday. Then use a double click. It printed Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because there is another default list in Excel application which contains the full name of the weekday. Similarly, I type month name, short month name, Jan, then double click. You fill Jan from March till December and then continue again January. Because there is another default list containing month short names. So instead of Jan, I am typing the full name, January, then move to the right bottom corner to show the fill handle pointer and double click, prints January, February, March, April, May. So because there is another default list containing the full month name in Excel. And I had created one custom list. I'll show you where to see that, like to store, which has the values to show the persons, skill level of persons. So novice, trained, expert, like that. Novice, knowledgeable, trained. So that is the knowledge level of a person in any subject or topic. So I have created that custom list. So because of that, it identifies it as a list and print it. So I type the first value novice and then double click. So it printed novice, trained, knowledgeable, expert. So I'll do an undo and I can start with the small label. Click. So it started from knowledgeable, then expert, novice, trained. Then again the same list repeats like we saw earlier. So I'll show you where you can find this custom list. This list is called a custom list. The others were default list. To see this custom list, you have to go to File menu, then go down to Options, last one here. Then go to Advanced tab here. This one, I click on Advanced. Scroll down towards the bottom. You will see Edit Custom List. That is an option. Click on this. See, you will see all these things. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, full name, then Jan, Feb, March, January, February, March. So here it is that novice, trained, knowledgeable, expert. Suppose I want to add another list. So click on this new list, add the value. So I will add the t-shirt sizes. So small, medium, long, XL, XXL. Let me add this. Add it. Okay. Okay. So now if I add yes here and double click, let us see what happens. See, the same custom list series got printed here. Yes, medium, long, XL, XXL. If I start with the long, double click, it printed this. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you find the information I shared useful, please like and share the video with your friends. If you did not like the video, please let me know the reasons through comments. Also, please feel free to give improvement suggestions in the comment section. That will help me create better videos in future. Thank you once again.